happy dog, honey? Are you a happy girl out here playing with your pals? She says, I love these puppies. These puppies are so much fun. Yes, they are. You guys taking a little break? You've been out here playing with honey? Yeah. She also loves Tear. Tear, you're just awesome. You know what? You really are. Yes, I know you're Sandra D's grandson, aren't you? Whoop. There they go. Oh my goodness. Don't hurt the puppy. Don't hurt the puppy. Puppy says, I'm tough. I can take it. Ben and Arnold like to do tag teams. Easy, easy. Don't hurt the puppy. Don't be too rough. Don't hurt the puppy. You guys are funny. You guys are funny. Silly puppies. They're like, we can go under the stairs if we need to escape from honey. Easy there. Don't hurt each other. Hey, easy. Easy, you guys. Don't be too rough. We don't want anybody getting hurt. Oh. The puppies do a takedown. They do a takedown. This is so cute. Honey's having such a good time playing with these guys. You guys are so funny. Oh, easy. Hey. Hey. No rough stuff. No rough stuff, you guys. Not too rough. You guys are so cute. Easy, easy. Hey! That's too rough. Hey! Knock it off. Got to moderate that play. You're being a bully. You're being a bully. Don't hurt your brother. Don't hurt your brother, you little stinker. Good girl, honey. You're a good girl. She said, I like these guys. I'm having fun.